software is becoming increasingly complex day by day, and too often companies try to approach each problem with a different software solution, wasting your time bouncing between a dozen different platforms and leaving you without any real gain in efficiency. At EMDECS, we are committed to providing you and your whole team with an inclusive and unified user experience. That's why we've designed the EMDECS Service Board to help you manage your everyday repair shop operations in one single place. From new arrivals, work in progress, and departures to technician status and quick estimates, you can navigate all the tabs in one centralized dashboard. These closely knitted service tabs mean a frictionless navigation experience without compromising on added features. Achieve operational excellence with EMDECS all-in-one fleet maintenance and management system. Visit BrightOrder.com to see how EMDECS can help simplify your workflow today.